Hi guys, my cousin Lauren said I can do his skincare. So I'm just putting on lotion and he said if you promise if you can rub it in. So I said yes. So that's how his face is looking. And I don't want pimples to go in there and his face is gonna be really soft because I tried it already and it's really good. A combo is good, but I'm not gonna try all of it. So let me go get it quick. So guys, this is the first one. He said he wants it.
I don't want it.
So this is the Foschini one. It's actually a nice one. I love this one. Literally my paw put it on his face. And my cousin Alex. And then the next one is this one. It's really good. I love this one too, but I love this one the best. Let me try it.
Okay, how about this? Watch this could go inside my hand.
It's already on.
Okay, how about this? Watch the red
Now
ball. I push it into my hand.
You said if I promise I rub it in.
That's the camera trick.
When you go to the bathroom now, you're gonna see how soft is your face. I only put it.
The bullet was shot at the house and ended up
I put
going
too much
straight
on my.
through. Inside, a woman and her fiance.
I'm just gonna blend it and I'm gonna come back to you. So guys, this is the part of his face. It's really soft. So we're gonna try it.
Like and share. And if you think so this little kid was sitting next to me on the plane.
No. Wait. Guys, I'm gonna show him his face to you guys. Can I show it? 3, 2, 1. So this is how it feels. It's super soft. You can feel it yourself. Feel it?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so how are you gonna say bye, Oswald?
Bye.